Hey, welcome back everyone. For those of you who are new to my channel, I make videos on how to read electrocardiograms. So if you're someone who is a beginner and wants to master this skill, then subscribe to my channel to learn more. Today I bring you with two practice examples. In this first ECG, you can calculate the PR interval. Okay, time's up. So in this example, you can see that there are 12 small boxes in the PR interval. Now remember that every small box equals to 0.04 seconds. So if there are 12 small boxes, then that would be 12 times 0.04. That would equal to 0.48 seconds. Now, as a review from my previous video, remember that every small box on the top panel is equal to 0.04 seconds. And the lower figure, you can see that one big box is composed of 5 small boxes, and that would equal to 0.2 seconds. So in this next example, I want you to calculate the pulse duration from P to P. Okay, take your time. You may pause the video and come back later. As you can see, we can calculate the time by counting every small box from P to P. That would equal 23 small boxes times 0.04, and then the answer would be 0.92 seconds. But there's another way that we can do this by just count the big boxes and the small boxes at each side. At the top arrow, you can see that there are 3 big boxes and there are 4 small boxes at each side, 8 in total. So 3 big boxes times 0.2 seconds, that would equal 0.6 seconds. And 8 small boxes, 4 at each side, times 0.04, that would equal 0.32 seconds. When you sum everything up, you can see that the answer would be 0.92 seconds. So there you have it. If you like this video and want more ECG quizzes, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. For more information and to learn more about ECG, go to my website at theprsegment.com. Thank you.